No, 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 it is not about religion. No, it is not about relation. No, it is not about nationality. Yes, it is all about humanity. An occupied, miserable nation wants their self-determination, which is a human right in UN's resolutions light. In return, facing a genocide, tortured, killed and penalized by this 1 million army, by brutal Indian army. The curfew since 50 days, it is the real India's face, so-called having secularism, in fact exercising barbarism. Let the voices be raised, let the slogans be phrased, let's stand by these oppressed, let their issue be addressed. Kashmir's ambassador is Kaptaan. Let's stand by him, O Pakistan. Let's stand by him, O Pakistan.